Naha tonight on the guitar. You guys, I know we have probably a lot of people in that age group that might remember the words to this one. We're going to stretch this out. We don't usually sing this one. Well, let's try it one time. Are you ready? I think I'm gonna be sad. Come on. I think it's today. Yeah. The girl that's trying to be mad is going away. Yeah. Everybody sing. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She don't care. She said that living with me was bringing her down. Yeah, she would never be free if I were around. Yeah, she's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She's got a ticket to ride. She don't care. To the bridge. Just take a minute to say goodbye to everybody. We want to thank you all for spending your Wednesday evening with us. And don't forget, if you live in Union County, this is every Wednesday. They're going to have, I think, one more here next week. And then every Wednesday in August, it moves to Oak Ridge Park, right down the street in Clark, New Jersey. We want to thank Union County Parks for sponsoring all these great concerts. And we had a great time. We want to thank our sound guys tonight for helping us out. Please be careful when you're driving on out of here, and we'll see you next time. Thank you and good night, everybody. We'll see you all next time.